How to chat with friends on Roblox. This tutorial shows you how to use the updated Party section to message your friends on Android. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, look at the left navigation bar and tap on Party. This is where the chat section has moved after the recent update. After that, you'll see a list of your friends appear inside the Party section. At this point, tap on any friend from the list to open a chat with them, and tap the text field at the bottom to start sending messages. From there, if you're looking for someone specific, tap the search icon at the top and type in their username to find them quickly. Following this, if you want to create a group chat, tap the plus icon to start a party. From here, select the friends you want to add and create a group where everyone can chat together. Once done, the party will be set up and you can start messaging everyone in the group right away. Finally, you can switch between individual chats and your party group anytime from the same Party tab on the left navigation bar. That's how you chat with friends on Roblox after the latest update. If this helped, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then!